Welcome to 538 Jensen Circle in Incline Village, Nevada. This brand new home was just completed and sits on a 0.7 acre lot with Wood Creek meandering through the backyard and a U.S. Forest Service lot next door for extra privacy. This home features easy level access with no steps. The main living area feels light and bright with open beam vaulted ceilings and clear story windows in the living area. The gourmet kitchen will delight even the most talented chefs. There is a spacious lower floor primary bedroom with a large bath, 2 walk-in closets, and walkout access to the Creekside patio. Upstairs includes a generous guest suite with a wet room style bath and a large deck overlooking the creek. There is also a bunk room and 2 bedrooms including ensuite baths, plus a large game room over the garage. This home features state-of-the-art in-floor heating and cooling. It includes Thermador appliances, DuChateau hardwood flooring, heated paver entry and rear patios, 2 laundry rooms, and more. Don't miss the contemporary understair wine storage. This is an exceptional home with modern details.